somewhere. Listen, it's a baby unicorn with a little horn.
Oh my
Second
god.
tree. Really? That's terrible. Sure. She's all right. And she
Look at
looks
her.
scared. What's a unicorn anyway, Lenny? I'm glad you asked. A unicorn's a little horse who lives in a magical land. She's got a horn upon her head. Now do you
They walk
understand? We understand.
They walk like people. This is serious.
Let's save the unicorn. Let's save the unicorn. Let's save the unicorn. We're from Little Red Riding Hood. Lenny, Zach,
I have no idea what.
we're your pets and we'll help you.
Look, she's covered in tears and makeup.
Let's take a look.
Stop.
Relax. Screw it in. Screw it in? Uh-huh. When you turn a screw one way, it comes out.
I have never laughed
And
that
when
hard.
you turn a screw the other way, it goes in.
At the Wonder
What are we
Vets.
waiting for? Let's screw the mast in and make it steady.
Oh.
What's gonna work? Teamwork. What's gonna work? Teamwork. Ooh. Hop in the flyboat, Wonder Pets. We've got a baby unicorn
Yeah.
to save.
I'm